Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the complete setup of the TUYA OPA-TUYA-1080 Bullet Smart Camera step by step. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this guide has covered you. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the OPA-TUYA Bullet 1080 Bullet camera, the power adapter, the mounting hardware, and the quick start guide. Then, power up the camera. Next, plug in the camera using the included power adapter. The LED will begin blinking rapidly. This means the camera is ready to connect. Step 2 is to download the app. Start by downloading the TUYA Smart or Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create an account or log in. We're going to install the Smart TUYA. Since it is installed, we're going to open it. And then, since we already have an existing account, if you don't have any account, you can create new one and you can log in. To add the device in the app, open the app and then tap the plus icon to add a device. And then choose the camera and lock. Then under the camera and lock is the smart Wi-Fi camera. Just next, and the next, and then next. And then connect to Wi-Fi. Use the QR code to connect to Wi-Fi. And then we're going to enter the Wi-Fi password. Then let the app generate a QR code. So, the QR code was already generated. We're going to hold the phone in front of the camera until we are going to hear a voice prompt. Okay, so we hear a prompt, so we're going to tap the button for I hear the prompt, and then let the connection finish. Take note, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And then once it's already done, you should once it's already configured, you're going to click the word or the button done. Once connected, you can name your camera and assign it to a room. You can also customize features like motion detection, notification alerts, and video quality. So now in here you can find in screen, you can find the word screenshot when you wanted to take a photo of a video or footage, and then the feature or the settings for the two-way audio. Let's try. So as you can see, we can do the two-way talk, and then when you wanted to record some videos or some footages, then when you wanted to go to some playback, it's here. Of course, it should have a SD card. so that it can record video. And then the alarm, once you wanted to detect some motion, you can turn it on, and then you can schedule when there were times na you wanted to have schedule for motion detection, automatic motion detection. And then